of a good, like, goodbye song to all your old friends and everything in the past. All right, I had this little guitar riff that I was working on the other day, and I kind of want to see if I could flesh it out a little bit and make it cool. So I'm definitely going to do some live drums on it too. I'm definitely hearing some sort of slamming gated drum thing. I had another song that did that, but I'm just gonna sort of rip that. Perfect. All right. It's just a demo, so it doesn't have to be perfect. And then we can loop it. Wait, this guy goes there, and that guy goes there. Yep. And then we have a loop. Okay, let me do the other side. Cool. Let me see if I can record some drums real quick. Just gonna grab all of it, bring it to the top. Let me see if I can just mix that a little bit real quick. Sick, and then I need to destroy it with something else after that. Let me see. Maybe a Sans amp. That's sick. There's this one make-believe plugin that I've been loving. Oh, the DB verb. I think that this thing sounds sick. There it is. Cool, just gonna beat detective it real quick. Tambourine, BPM is 185, so we're gonna go for 180, and then I'll split it. Just gotta change the accent. I'm gonna spread it out a little bit. I'm gonna pitch it down. So imagine the song starts, just the lead. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's add an 808. Cool. I'm gonna add a thing to my voice. That idea was pretty cool that I had, like, about old friends reaching out and you can't really answer them because you're busy and, like, you know, you're gonna let people down if you get back to them. But I think I need to move the whole song up, so I'm gonna move these guys up. 1, 2, 3. Hopefully this works. It's probably gonna sound bad. I'll change this to polyphonic. Should be able to tune it up if I go event, audio suite. So it's 1, 2, 3 steps up, and then I just grab all of it and render, see what happens. Hey, it sounds okay. All right, let's hit it. I need way more auto-tune because I want this to be like a thing when I'm demoing it. Hey, hey, I wish I could answer you back. But I got busy and I got trapped. When I'm in high school, I can't just hang out. There we go. Just hang out. Plus, I've gained so much weight that you'd laugh. Gonna bonk on that rat pedal again. I think I need to send it as an aux send because it's a little bit too crazy. I wish I could answer you back. But I got busy and I got trapped. It's pretty sick. Oh my god, there's so much. I wish I could answer you back. I got busy and I got trapped. When I'm in high school, I can't just hang out. This is a good driving song, you know what I mean? Like, you just drive to the song to go get in and out. Hey, hey, I wish I could answer you back. Hey, hey, I wish I could answer you. Hey, hey, I wish I could answer you back. I wish I could answer you back. But I got busy and I got trapped. When I'm in high school, I can't just hang out. 'Cause I've gained so much weight that you'd laugh. It's cool when you can just flow and not worry about this being the final take and just kind of create, you know? I just want to spread that harmony a bunch. I wish I could answer you back. But I got busy. There it is. I got trapped. La, 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 la. There it is. It's got to switch up there to the chorus. Like, we'll just do like a pre-break. All right, so I love you, but I'll never see you again. It's kind of a good, like, goodbye song to all your old friends and everything in the past. And what if the song picked up to full time, you know? There it is. All right, let's build a little track here. I'm just gonna consolidate these tracks. I just need one hi-hat hit. This guy. Maybe just on every quarter. No, no, boom, boom, bum, bum, ba, yeah. Keep playing, pretend you again. I miss you, but I can't keep playing, pretend. Can't get back. Be cool if it was a can't get back, can't back, no. Can't get back. Can't get back. It's over. Not it's over. 2010, 2012 to 2012 to 2010. 2010, I was like just barely starting puberty, but it just sings well, so I'm gonna chuck it in there. Yeah. Cause that time came and went. All right, let's stack some harmonies. I love you, but I'll never see you again. I know so, but I can't pretend. Won't come to 2010. 2010, come back. Come back. Sick. A little swaggy, gritty vocal. I think that's it. I think that's the start of a song. All I need to do is write another verse, flesh out the chorus so it has way more energy, figure out the vibe. I like that gated drum thing though. So I'm gonna put a pin in it. I think this is a good demo. It's going in the folder, and I'll do another video like Bring Back Sick Riffs where I do the whole production of everything. That song's done. Check it out from the top. Subscribe because you're freaking weird. Hey, I wish I could answer you back. But I got busy and I got trapped. When I'm in high school, I can't just hang out. Plus I've gained so much weight that you laugh. I love